Students, I hope you find my lesson interesting. You can give your feedback in comment and ask questions for clarification.
Chapter 2 में जाए.
In part 1, I told you about chemical reactions. Now in this part 2, I will tell you about how to write a chemical equation correctly. Chemical reactions and equation part 2. The correct way of writing a chemical equation. The symbolic representation of a chemical reaction is called a chemical equation. Writing the word equation. In word equation, we write the equation using some general words, common words for the reaction. In skeletal chemical equation, we use symbols for those words. In balanced chemical equation, we write the chemical equation for the atoms on the left hand side and right hand side are same in number. Features of a chemical equation. The reactants are written on the left hand side with the plus sign between them. Similarly, products are written on the right hand side with the plus sign between the products. The arrowed head points towards the product and shows the direction of the reaction. Writing the word equation. To state in short, when a magnesium ribbon is burnt in oxygen, it gets converted to magnesium oxide. This description of a chemical reaction in the sentence form is quite long. It can be written in a shorter form. The simplest way to do this is to write in the form of word equation. The word equation for the above reaction would be magnesium plus oxygen gives magnesium oxide. Now, skeletal chemical equation. Skeletal chemical equation. Chemical equations can be made more concise and useful if we use chemical formula instead of words. For example, magnesium plus oxygen gives MgO. Here the magnesium Mg is the symbol for magnesium, O is symbol for oxygen, and MgO is symbol for magnesium oxide. The equation is unbalanced. As you can see here, the magnesium is having 1 on both sides, but oxygen is on the left hand side it is 2 and on the right hand side it is 1. So it is an unbalanced equation. Mass is not the same on the both sides of the equation. Such a chemical equation is a skeletal chemical equation for a reaction. Now, balanced chemical equation. The number of atoms of each element remains the same before and after a chemical reaction. Hence, we need to balance a skeletal chemical equation. Steps to balance a chemical equation. Step 1. Actually, there are 5 steps. I will tell you one by one all steps. Step 1. List the number of atoms of different elements present in the unbalanced equation. As here is the list. See, FeHO. I have sorted out this way. Fe is having number of atoms in reactant 1, number of atoms in product 3. As you can see here, see, it is 3, it is 1. H, it is 2 on the left hand side and 2 again in the right hand side. Oxygen, in the left hand side it is 1 and in the right hand side it is 4. So it is unbalanced equation. Now step 2. It is often convenient to start balancing with the compound that contains the maximum number of atoms. It may be a reactant or a product. In that compound, select the atom which has the maximum number of atoms. Using these criteria, we select Fe3O4 and the element oxygen in it. There are 4 oxygen atoms on the right hand side, only 1 on the left hand side. As you can see, 4 atoms in the right hand side and only 1 in the left hand side. So initially 1, 4. To balance it, 1 is multiplied by 4 and on the right hand side 4 into 1. As you can see, left hand side we had put it here 4. Now step 3. Fe and H hydrogen atoms are not balanced. Let us balance hydrogen atom in the partly balanced equation. To equalize the number of hydrogen atom, make the number of molecules of hydrogen as 4 on the right hand side. Here is you see Fe plus 4H2O left hand side. Now 4 into H2. So this 4 is has come from here. Now hydrogen atom is balanced. 4 2 ja 8, 4 2 ja 8. Earlier this equation is partially balanced equation. Now step 4, you find that only one element is left unbalanced, that is iron. So iron, initially iron is having 1 in and in product it is 3. To balance 1 into 3, 3 into 1. To equalize Fe, we take 3 atoms of Fe on the left hand side. See here, 3 Fe. To balance it, we put 3 here. Now it is Fe3 on the right hand side. 4 2 ja 8 hydrogen left hand side, 4 2 ja 8 hydrogen right hand side, O4 right hand side and 4H left hand side. Finally check the both sides. This is 3Fe plus 4H2O gives Fe3O4 plus 4H2. All atoms are balanced. Left hand side is having the same number of atom as well as right hand side is having the same number of value. So step 5. Now we write some words in it, letters in it. Now write the symbol of physical state of the gaseous, liquid, aqueous and solid states of reactants. The gaseous, the liquid, aqueous and solid states of the reactant and products are represented by the notation G for gases, L for liquid, AQ for aqueous and S for solid respectively. The word aqueous is written if the reactant or product is present as a solution in water. The balanced equation becomes 3Fe S for solid, 4 plus 4H2O G gives Fe3O4 solid plus 4H2G. The balanced equation is here. 3FeS plus 4H2OG gives Fe3O4S 4 plus 4H2. Here is the short worksheet on balancing the following equation. Hydrogen plus chlorine gives hydrogen chloride, barium chloride plus aluminum sulfate and so on. To watch more videos, please like my channel and click above on my pic to subscribe it. Thank you very much. See you soon.